Soundproofing panels can be processed in various ways, such as vertical cutting, V-cut, and grooving. A CNC cutting machine equipped with different tools can meet a wide range of processing requirements. The oscillating knife is primarily used for the vertical cutting of sound insulation boards. An electric double V-cut tool can be used when double-sided V-cut is required. By performing a double-sided V-cut, the beveled edges on both sides are processed in a single pass, enabling better joining and assembly of the sound insulation panels. If a single-sided V-cut is required, a wide-angle V-cutter can be selected. The cutter angle can be adjusted according to machining requirements to achieve single-sided bevel cuts at various angles. For soundproofing panels requiring grooving, a milling cutter can be used, whether for right-angled grooves or other custom groove profiles. The task can be accomplished through milling. One CNC cutting machine, multiple tools, more possibilities for acoustic panel processing.